Welcome to the Full of Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 12:26 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is January 2nd, and I think what we're seeing today is something that's rather important. It's not something we see very often, that the dollar goes up and then commodities go up with it, and then stock markets have been a bit weaker, and there's a bit of uncertainty around the market, particularly with Tesla missing its sales growth targets, and in fact contracting on sales for the first time in a decade, or more than that. And then several of the Chinese EV companies coming out with better than expected sales figures for 2024. Well, then when we think about what's going on here, well, bond yields don't give us much of a clue as to what's going on. They're not really moving all that much. But the US dollar was up in a really dynamic manner in here today, and that was particularly versus the euro and the pound. But then we had oil pushing on the upside, Dutch gas pushing on the upside. Then we've had gold firming from the lower side of its range. Silver doing a bit better as well. It was up 70 cents. Then we've seen several of the soft commodities doing better, particularly a jump today in the coffee, orange juice, and cocoa markets. And then when we look at the stock market environment, not a lot of bullish activity, particularly as we look at the first trading day of the year. I think a lot of people were hoping that the selling pressure that we saw right at the tail end of 2024 was just some profit taking. We had additional profit taking in here today. So certainly plenty to